This is not a mom bag. You can't fit all your kids' stuff in it. Okay, we're gonna do a cute little what's in my bag. I'll put the specs on the dimensions of the bag below, but sis is packed. First of all, I have my Black Girl sunscreen. I have a pen, a cute little gold pen. A notebook, you know, sometimes you might want to walk around with your manifestations in your bag. So, a nice size tablet. I always need a snack, so enough said. Keys. Some hand sanitizer. A scrunchie. Just in case, I guess. My lip gloss, lip bar, love it. This is clear, obviously almost done. A couple little brushes. Well, these are regular size brushes. Yes, a regular size brush can fit in here as long as the head is not too big. Just a touch up on the go. It's hot in Houston. Might be creasing, might be smudging. And a compact, my press powder, my mineralizing skin finish from MAC. And all that was in my bag. And I didn't even put anything in the pocket. If your kids are too big, you can take your cards out and put them in the pocket here. Now let's see if these will fit in my Telfar. It's a little smaller, so I already know from experience that my entire keyring cannot fit. But when I'm going out, all I need is my money and my turkey. Snacks is a must. Barely fitting. Makeup brushes are a must. Finish powder, must. Hand sanitizer. Lip gloss. Sunscreen. Pen. Notebook. I should have put this in first, but I think it's too wide. So we're gonna leave that at home. So what am I writing anyway? Scrunchie. And let's go. With enough room to fit a couple other things. So these bags are mini, but they're still a good size. Like you can fit the things that you need when you're going out in this bag. This is not a mom bag. You can't fit all your kids' stuff in it. But on the run, out being cute, everything you need can fit in these bags. So go for it. If you didn't see my review in the last video, check that out of these bags, but they're a nice size. Thanks for watching.